In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix lag on Roblox mobile. So if Roblox is lagging on your mobile, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be unstable internet connection. So make sure you have a strong stable internet connection. Also try switching between the Wi-Fi and mobile data. After you do that, your problem should be fixed. If your problem is still not fixed, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache of the Roblox app. Sometimes the lag might be caused because of the cache. So for that, launch up an app library of your device. Find the application for Roblox and long press on it. Now tap on this option app info that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the app info interface of Roblox. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option storage and cache that you can see on the screen. Now over here you'll be able to find two options, clear storage, clear cache. Tap on this option clear cache that you can see on the screen. Now once the cache has been cleared, the application should no longer lag. But if the application still lags, what you can do is simply try updating the Roblox application. There might be some bugs in the app and the bugs can be fixed by simply updating it. So for that, launch open Play Store on your device. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is simply search for Roblox. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find this application for Roblox and tap on it. Now after you do that, over here you'll be able to find the option for update. Tap on it, wait for a while and the application will be updated. After you do that, your problem should be fixed. But if your problem is still not fixed, maybe your device itself is lagging. So in that case, make sure to update your device. For that, what you have to do is launch open settings of your device. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option system that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to access the system settings. Tap on this option software update. Now if your software is not updated, go ahead and update your software. After you do that, your problem should be fixed. If your problem is still not fixed, what you can do is simply try restarting your device. For that, long press on the power button. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the option restart and your device will be restarted. Now try using the Roblox mobile. Now after you do that, it should no longer lag. So that is how you fix lag on Roblox mobile. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.